Hey everyone, happy holidays. It's Mark with the Fabric Hut, and we are here on day two of our video series, 12 Days of Christmas. So we are now 11 days away from Christmas, and we're on that countdown following the theme of 12 Days of Christmas. And so if you're new here, these videos will come out every single day with a new project, a new product, possibly a new promotion or a new announcement. So feel free to make sure you bookmark our emails coming in, bookmark this video on YouTube so that you can be notified. Hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified as well. So on today's video, I want to talk about our pre-cut quilt kits. I have right behind me, I have Stars at Sea, our number one selling quilt kit of this year for 2025. It is absolutely great. We're using Figo Fabrics from Northcot, and it is a wonderful pattern. As you can see, we've got two different blocks here, black, white, bright colors. The backing is black, which is unique for a quilt kit, but this makes a great gift for a young person or somebody that really likes bright colors but wants just something maybe a little less traditional. But this kit is super fun and it is very accessible, easy to do for confident beginners, somebody that's really got a little bit of time on a sewing machine but hasn't made a lot of quilts or anything like that. So on this video, I want to talk a little bit about the 11 reasons why buying a quilt kit from us and the way that we put it together is like really an advantage. So number one, as I said, it's easy for beginners. We do all the hard work for you. We pick the fabrics, we pick the sizes, we write the pattern for you in very step-by-step, easy to read and understand instructions. But we also pre-cut the kit for you. Everything's included. So what it gets in a kit, you get a full uh, top. So you get your top fabric is completely included. Your binding strips are completely included, and your backing fabric is also included. The only thing you need to do is choose the batting that is best for where you live or the type of quilt that you want to make as far as comfort goes. Um, One thing about it, it encourages creativity because you have the opportunity to get right into it and start putting this thing together. It's a lot of fun. Quilting is a long-lasting hobby, and I think having a kit. So if you don't like to cut anymore, maybe you've made a lot of quilts, you don't like to rotary cut, you don't want to measure, you don't want to shop the fabrics, you can buy a kit and take it on a quilt retreat or just open it up and go right to sewing and get a project done really, really quick. Um, the big thing is quilts are a meaningful gift, especially this time of the year. I know that some of you, if you buy them now, you are not going to finish before Christmas. The fast sewers will, of course. But um, when you give a gift of a quilt, it's a long-lasting handmade item that is super, super, valuable and super appreciated by others. It's also a family affair, especially as we teach the younger generation how to quilt. And a quilt kit is a great way to get someone new or someone who's an emerging beginner involved in the art or the act of quilting itself. It's a great stress reliever. And I think we all know that sewing and quilting is a great stress reliever. It's a creative endeavor. But what's also nice is we've done all the hard work, right? We picked your fabric, we picked all the details, we've written the pattern for you. You don't have to choose that. It's all pre-cut for you. It's all packaged. It's going to arrive, and you're going to open it up and go right to sewing. So you get to not only have the benefits of a stress relief, but you get a kit ready to go. We also teach new skills. So we're constantly evaluating the different kits and we build from one kit to another, adding additional skills, but really great foundational teaching. And then, of course, we have high quality materials. I said this behind us is Figo from Northcot. Great fabric, absolutely top tier fabrics are used in our kits. And then it's an affordable gift option. You're buying everything, you've taken away all the extra work, and you can get right to it. So I want to talk a little bit about the kits itself and what they look like. As I said, this is Stars at Sea behind me, but this is what your package will look like. Now, this one here is called Because of the Brave, and it is just recently reduced. I mean, introduced, sorry. And everything you need comes in this package. So what you see here is the blue fabric is the backing for this particular quilt. You get your pattern right on front, and the instructions are very detailed. It's not a one or a two-page pattern. We've taken the time to expand them out. Great graphics, very complete instructions that get you going, as well as your cut list, which you don't have to cut because we've done it. But if you wanted to make this pattern again, you could inside of this kit. So It's not very big, but it'll be shipped. It's pre-wrapped and ready to go. Inside your kit, you'll get your fabric. You get rid of the backing fabric, and then inside you're going to get these little packages of pre-cut fabric. So this is two strips. One is a 1.5 and one is a 2.5 inch with the fabric strip for a particular kit. It's labeled and numbered how many you're supposed to have. Our team does a really good job of counting and making sure that you get exactly what you need for the kit itself. Here is one. This is the blue for Wild Reflections. And as you can see, we have 3 different cuts and sizes inside of this kit, and everything is pre-cut, ready to go. You open it up, grab the pieces that you need, and you go right to sewing. So that is the nuts and bolts of the kits. But the nice thing is you never need to start cutting before you start sewing. You can really go. And I'm going to say, take them on quilt retreats or to sewing circles and just open it up and go right to sewing. And it means you don't have to pack a whole lot of extra equipment. All right, here's the promotion for today. It is December 14th. So for the date December 14th, any two you buy, you can get one quilt kit free. So buy any two quilt kits, get one quilt kit free. That is only good on current in stock kits. It can't be transferred to other kits that are not currently available because we don't have estimated timelines on when they will. So for the date December 14th, 2025, buy two, get one free, equal or lesser value, of course, and we'll get those shipped out to you right away before Christmas. So don't delay, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.